Hey, what's up guys? Meet with me again in new sense channel. After we learning about how to create triangle, now in this video I want to show how we can make quadrilateral in visualbasic.net. Let's create new project. The concept is a triangle have 3 point or 3 coordinates. If quadrilateral is have 4 point, and we need just to add 1 point after we need triangle. Okay, just add button. I want to change the text, make quadrilateral like this, and double click in button. Okay, this is for coordinate 1 or A, as the x comma y is 10 to 10. This is using, for example, uh, TCS. This is using 120.150 like this. Sorry, this is point, and this is the last coordinate. Yes. Using let's say to 60 with 200 like this. Team our point, for example, using array structure A. This is B, C, and D. Okay, our pen equal to seven, the size for pen. Okay, let's declare our graphics in here. Equal to, and then the last our graphics to draw polygon like this, equal to our pen comma with our point. Let's running. Okay, you can see there. And if you want to make this higher, for example, like a trapezium like this. Okay, you can see uh, we have create 4.1234 in this case, like triangle, but triangle using 3 point or coordinates, and if the quadrilateral using 4 point. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.